Hey YouTube, I'm Dejanay and I'm going to be teaching you how to do the cup song from Pittsburgh. You gotta come over here and hold it. My cousin is going to hold it. Alright, no, you have to come over here because it's charging. They ain't got no time to hold on. Think you can turn it down? So at first, the beat, alright, first I'm going to show you how it is. So, I won't be a waste of your time if you don't like it. You can't sing now. Alright, anyway. Let me start that over. So, the first part is, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So after you do that, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, you clap, then you grab the cup, then go over, or you can just lift it up and down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I go over because the next part is clap and grab. You see the grab, so you want to do that. So after 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, clap. Don't forget to clap. Most people forget to clap after 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And after that, you clap. Yeah, you clap. Then you grab, hit. Okay? So, clap, clap, grab. It's gonna make that noise. Hit. Just to the side. Then, down. Some people cross it, and some people just down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, clap, over, clap, up, down, so. And slow, unless you want to do it with me. Medium.